how to download the UTS application for general ticket booking on the Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can download the UTS mobile application so that you can get a general or a unreserved coach on the IRCTC. So let me show you how to do this. So if you are on an Android device, you need to open your Google Play Store, and once your Play Store opens up, you need to simply search for UTS. And once you'll search for UTS, you need to hit the search button and you will see this application, that is UTS by Center for Railways Information Systems. So look carefully for this particular app. It has an interface like this. So this is the application that we need to download, and it has around 1 million reviews with an overall rating of 4.6 stars. So simply click onto this install button, and now you can see that it is currently being downloading, and once the application downloads, it will start to install in our system. And once the installation will be finished, the application will be successfully installed and will be ready to use into our system. So you can click onto this open button, and here you go. Now you can access and book your tickets using this UTS application for Android. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.